All right. So last week, you guys read kind of the philosophical context of the Crucible, right? And we're gonna spend a little time in class on like connecting Act One to that as we go forward. This week, you're going to read the dialogue from Act One. So all the stuff that I asked you to read in the asynchronous lesson last week, now you're going to hear the words of those characters this week. Okay. The most important thing to take away is when the characters talk, they give away why they're doing what they're doing. Every human ever, whether real, fictional, me, you, we have reasons for doing the things that we do. You have reasons for watching this video right now because you don't want to be confused, right? So, what we're going to do in Act One, particularly, is look at how people's words show their motivation and some of like the literary things that we do in speech and that these characters do to expand on that.